today we're gonna do a makeup video.
Look, I'm gonna do some makeup on Princess Fairy Emily.
And I'm gonna do some on Princess Fairy Lily.
Okay, let's go. This video is sponsored by makeupfairies.com. Okay, so we're going to be using the Katy Kat palette, Katy Perry CoverGirl.
Here we go.
Okay, I'm ready.
So you can do my makeup first.
Okay.
And I've got to close my eyes.
So put it all over my track.
Is it?
I'm gonna get my makeup done first, and then Fairy Emily.
So we've got the sponge that we're gonna apply it with, and
Okay.
yeah. Okay.
Here we go.
Clear Blue digital pregnancy tests give unmistakably clear results.
Finished. Kaden, look in the mirror.
When you're in clown.
Look in the mirror. Time for me.
So we're gonna go for Emily now.
Okay.
Oh shit, I did way too much. Amazon.com.
Thanks for watching our video.
Thank you.
Make sure that you like and subscribe and share this video with your friends so that we can get more subs to get to Fairyland.
Yeah, and a big thanks to Amazon for sending us all these amazing products. And
We just added a bit. We added a heart, but it looks a bit like a triangle.
hold on, let me. We added another heart. So yeah.
Yeah, like and subscribe. And we'll make comment down some future videos you want us to make.
And we'll probably do them.
Yeah. Because we do that.
Yeah.